Hi, this is Kelly from Luxury Homes to Loom, and today we're in beautiful Playa del Carmen. We're in one of Playa's most exclusive neighborhoods known as Playa Magna. This is a great gated community, amazing security, common areas with pools, tennis courts, palapas for events. It's a great neighborhood. You're gonna love it. And what you're gonna love even more about this neighborhood is this spectacular house I'm gonna share with you. This house has almost 5,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a beautiful pool and garden. Let's come check this out together. Come on. All right, so now I'm here with Lily. Lily is the most beautiful little mascot you'll ever meet. She's here hosting us today. Lily's a year old. She loves it here as well. So here we are in the main living area. This living area is connected to the dining room, the outdoor space, this magnificent kitchen that I just shared with you. This place is this epitomizes the open air concept. This is a great space for having fun, relaxing, chilling. What could be better than this, Lily? Nada. All right. I hope that you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. This house is spectacular. I'm going to show you a little bit upstairs, but you know what? This is really where the action is. In this beautiful house, we can enjoy the indoor-outdoor lifestyle. This is a great way to maximize the space. We have a beautiful live edge table here. We have tables outside, a sitting area next to this beautiful plunge pool. We've got a staircase leading up to the balcony, which surrounds the master bedroom. This is a really well laid out place. And I'll tell you what's really special about it, the finishings. The finishings are world class. The architect, builder, owner of this property makes his own custom tile work. And we're gonna share some of those features with you as we go through the house, but you're gonna see original finishes everywhere you look. That's what makes a house really interesting. And this house is interesting, beautiful. Let's go check out some details. Here in this lovely garden area, we're going to see one of the examples of these beautiful tiles that are installed throughout the house. These accent walls make a very bland, predictable wall something very interesting. It's a point of interest in this garden. I think you're going to enjoy these as we go through and check these out together. What do you think about this? This is great. Imagine if you light this, you can get some play of shadows and light. This is going to be a beautiful detail wall. All right, so welcome to this kitchen, and what a kitchen this is. Check out the finishings and the details in this kitchen. I think I could have some great parties. I know I could have some great parties, and I bet you could have some great parties here. This is a place to entertain your friends and family. We have beautiful salam wood, which is one of the hardest woods here from the peninsula. Beautiful wood. We have quartz countertops throughout the kitchen. I want to show you some details. Come on in, let's share this together. You can see here we also have a bar sink. This is awesome. When you're entertaining, it's great so that not everything is congested over at the sink here. People who are having their drinks need their ice, want to wash some fruit. This is all going to be super. It's party ready. This place is party ready. We have a 5-burner stove here. Obviously, all of you chefs know that's the best. That's what we want. We want those gas burner stoves. We have dishwashers. We have a bar fridge over here. We have built-in microwave. We have everything you can imagine. And if we're going to talk about storage, my friends, look at the storage we have here. Storage above, storage below. This entire wall is storage. And we also have an amazingly huge pantry in the back, which has our laundry room as well. So this house is practical, but wow, what a space to entertain. Imagine you right here with your friends and family having that perfect party. Your first time to host in your new home here in Playa del Carmen. So now we're going to go check out upstairs, and what we find is this beautiful staircase leading us up to that area. We have these beautiful salam wood stairs. That's a great heavy architectural grounding element. And then we have these air-light, beautiful glass railings, which are all throughout the upstairs and here going up the staircase. So you know we've got this open air, which brings attention to the grounding nature of this staircase, even though it's going to lead us up to a beautiful space. Let's go see this together. Come on. Here we are in the master suite. This beautiful, beautiful space has 2 walls which are floor to ceiling windows, sliding glass doors. They open up. There's a great breeze coming through here. It's hot today. It's hot in Playa del Carmen, but it's quite comfortable in here right now. This is a really, really nice space because it has this wraparound terrace. I want you to follow me and I'm going to show you this space because this really makes this room even more special. Okay friends, here we are. We're in the walk-in closet right off of the master suite. And this has some really nice little details. For example, a beautiful soaking tub. I know lots of us just love showers, but every now and then, I'll tell you what, it's a real luxury to have a bath. So you've got a bathtub here in your walk-in closet. We're talking about this walk-in closet. Let's see what's in here. My goodness gracious, we have space. We have space on both sides, obviously. We have drawers. We have 18 drawers here. We have space up top for luggage. We have big bulky items up there. And this has a jewelry counter here. You can see with glass. All of this space makes your life easier. It makes everything a lot more simple because it's all organized. So come live your best life here in Playa del Carmen, especially in this house, this magnificent house in Playa Magna.